Pride and anger, aggorance, harassment, ignorance, etc. are possessed by people of demon nature. Pride, anger, aggorance, harshness, ignorance, etc. are possessed by people of demon nature. There are two kinds of creatures within two defined nature. There are two kinds of creatures within two defined nature. One of is divine and other is demonic. One of is divine and other is demonic. Demonic people always make fear and panic. Demonic people always make fear and panic. They do not know what is wrong or what is right. Demonic people doesn't know what is right or what is wrong. They only think about munafa. For their pleasure, only they can fight. For their pleasure, Dominican people always fight. They only think about munafa. They say there is no God light. Dominic people say there is no God light. Ganpati Baba Moria. Dominic people say that there is no God light. They control this world. Dominic people think that they control this world. So be careful whom you trust. Select and reject the demonic first. Select and reject the demonic first. There are two kinds of creatures within two defined nature. One of is divine and other is demonic. So be careful whom you trust. Select and reject the demonic first. Ganpati Baba Moria.